what's cooking in the kitchen. Finished my workout today. Some mussels, some good old lamb cutlets, yuki, tomati, potato, broccoli, salad. Let's get it. So step one, when you've got an iron cast skillet, always add water and let the water boil a bit so you get off any residue from the previous cooking session. Even if you wash it with soap, whatever, there's residue left over from the soap or detergent, as well as the oil, the flavors which are there. So you want to just let the water boil it off and get rid of that, because when you start fresh, you don't want the old flavors sticking around, So that's my practice. I don't like to be lazy. I know most guys out there, they're lazy. They don't even know how to cook. Don't be that guy. Take care of yourself, lads. So once the oil is heated up, try to be as dry as possible, guys. You don't want to get burned. So yeah, put it in there. Potatoes cook on one side, and then it goes in the lamb. The broccoli goes in the end, and tomatoes just roasted, and then don't cook your lettuce. Or don't cook your cucumbers. Mussels already cooked, but I'll just toss it with garlic at the end. Check on the potatoes, check one, so it's not yet there, but it's for a moment. Cut it in. Quick salt and pepper into the pan. Garlic from the garden. The best thing about having space to garden, homegrown potatoes. If you've ever tried it homegrown, they won't taste the same. Definitely not like my brown stars. That's whole different. Now you just cook it 4 minutes on each side, you'll be fine. You don't want to overdo it. Carefully get some fire in there. And bring the chicken down. Normally, lamb sets itself on fire. The benefit of that is do it on an electric stove, so I think I'm grateful. Grill the tomato a little bit. I don't mind the little bit of burnt, especially really same time for the whole time. Potatoes are a little bit charred. The heat was in high. So I'll toss it back in later with the oyster, mussels, and yeah, then that into a sauce. So much of all these ingredients together. I'm not a huge fan of lettuce, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Check these out. They look nice. I don't know if I'll eat them plain. They're not that great. A bit of sauce go a long way on this taste. Oh, I'm so hungry. But I don't want to cook for me. Take care of myself. I was in with some garlic paste and this is called a Mad Hatter pepper. So this goes in next. Turn down the heat. Add the whole gang together. This. Good next. That will help it steam up a bit. In the meantime, a bit of water and Napolitana, chunky tomato. Let's put that in there. Bit of barbecue, even though it smells nice and smoky with the smoked mussels. But yeah, I like my barbecue. So give this a good mix together. This will help the potato soften up as well without overcooking it. It gets everything together. I want to add some homemade chili sauce, but maybe I'll just keep it for dip, you know. It smells great. And the flame's off. No. You know, the best thing is the liquid coming out from here, then go back in here, but this is going on the plate, so it makes no difference. You know, the only thing that they went wrong with this is that they put the canola oil in there, and that doesn't really help, but it is what it is. So this here is a homemade habanero chili sauce. I've been contemplating starting a chili sauce by bottling up these chilies, basically habanero, Carolina Reaper, which is really spicy things. Like, I don't know how people eat really spicy food. This is spicy, but I did a lot of work with it, made it edible. The other version I have is a bomb. It's nice, but it's too much for me. Some people like it, some people not so much. I want to put a bit in there, but I don't know. I might just use it as a dip. Or maybe just a bit. I hope we can mess it up. Guys, the number one rule, don't drink soft drinks undiluted and cold, especially in cold countries or weather where you usually get sick. I make my homemade kimchi, but I'm just lacking, and the plants kind of got eaten by slugs, so I haven't really done that this year. And cheat a bit if I only just because I might not. It'll sit here, and if I feel like it, I might reach for it. If not, no. But yeah, usually I try to have a nice, healthy, balanced meal. It's not easy. It's not easy.